Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a custom avatar in Synthesia step by step. First, open your browser and go to the Synthesia website. Sign in to your account and open the main dashboard. From the dashboard, start a new video project and go to the avatar section. Look for the option to create or add a custom avatar if it is available with your Synthesia plan. Next, follow the instructions provided by Synthesia for creating your custom avatar. Depending on the available option, you may need to provide a suitable recording or other required information. For the best result, use good lighting and a quiet environment. Make sure your face is clearly visible and your recording is clean and easy to understand. Follow all the on-screen instructions carefully and complete the required
Well,
recording or setup process. Once everything is ready, submit it for processing. Synthesia will process your information and create your custom avatar. Processing time can vary depending on the type of avatar and the current service conditions. Once your custom avatar is available, open a new video project and select it from your avatar options. Now enter the script you want your custom avatar to speak and choose a suitable AI voice and language. Customize the video by adding a background, text, images, and other visual elements. Then preview the entire project to check the avatar, voice, pronunciation, timing, and overall appearance. If everything looks good, generate the video and wait for Synthesia to finish processing it. Once the video is ready, watch the final result and export it using the available options. And that's how you can create and use a custom avatar in Synthesia for professional AI video content.